This is a quick review of the iKBC TD108 LED series. Now, I got this keyboard because I was looking for a good typing / coding keyboard. I do play games here and there, but 80% of my time is spent typing. So there's two versions of this keyboard. There's the one that's backlit, and there's a keyboard that's not backlit. Now, at the time that I bought this, it was the same price as the non-backlit keyboard, so I just picked it up, and here we are. Anyway, in the box there's a warranty card / instructions. There is spare keys, and there's a key puller. Let me pull out one of these keys so you can see what it's made out of. As you can see, it's pretty solid. It's double shot. And comes with the case. Better than nothing, but whatever. Like I said, these keys are backlit. They're blue backlit. They cannot be changed. They're not RGB, so you either like it or you don't. I picked this up for about $70 USD, including shipping from Amazon.com. It obviously does come in a nice box, but because I bought this overseas, I had to leave the box behind so I can fit it into my suitcase. Anyways, here is the typing test. I really recommend it. And again, if you're in the market for a simple keyboard and you want to mostly focus on typing or coding, or if you just want Cherry MX Brown keys, this is probably the best keyboard to go for. Here is the close-up of this keyboard. As you can see, there's media keys right up here. There's a full numpad. The keys are thick and they feel nice. They're smooth. And again, it's the blue LED light only. So keep that in mind.